Picture this. You're heading home from work and you decide to stop by a gasoline station to fuel up your car. As you begin fueling up and you watch the numbers on the screen in front of you increase, you realize that you don't exactly know what you're putting in your car. A few days ago, I was heading back from Driscoll, and this exact situation happened to me. I realized that I did not know what I was putting in my car. And on the recent survey I conducted, 11 out of 14 people said that they did not know either. So today, I'm going to inform you what gasoline is made of, how it is created, and how it is used inside your car's engine. So gasoline is a complex mixture of different substances, but it's mainly made out of hydrocarbons, which are compounds made out of hydrogen and carbon atoms. And according to the document I found on the Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry, called the Toxicological Profile for Automobile Gasoline, written on June of 1995, it is said that our gasoline also contains additives and blending agents. And the additives, what they are is, they are put into gasoline to increase engine performance and reduce the emissions. And then blending agents are used to increase the sustainability of the gasoline, which is basically just decreasing the volatility. Now that you know what gasoline is made of, let me tell you about how it is created. Gasoline, according to the video I found, how is gasoline made from crude oil, the petroleum refinery simplified. Created on November 23rd, 2022 by Kimray Inc. and accessed on June 15th, 2024. It is said that gasoline is created through a three-step refinery process. The first of these steps is called distillation. This occurs in a crude tower, which is basically a cylindrical tube with divided into different sections, and each of those sections is heated to a different temperature. Gasoline is only one of the byproducts of this process. So crude oil is heated up in distillation and is divided into different substances based on the boiling point of those substances. Each of the sections that the crude tower is divided into is heated to a different temperature, which means that each section has a different substance in it. And only one of these sections has what will be gasoline, and that's the one that will be used. The next step in this process is called conversion. In conversion, companies add chemicals and heat to what will be gasoline. This is done in vessels called reformers. The heat is added to break down the larger gasoline particles into smaller ones, and this process is known as cracking. The third and final step of the gasoline refinery process is called treatment or blending. This is where they combine all the products into gasoline, into pump grade gasoline. Now that you know how gasoline is created, let me talk about how it is used inside your car's engine. According to the book I read, Internal Combustion Engine, written by Konstantin Arkomanis in 1988 and edited in 2012. Most cars operate on a four-stroke engine. Inside this engine, there are cylinders, which have pistons inside that move up and down. According to the article I read called Here's How Your Car's Engine Works by K.C. Caldwell, an author on the Car and Engine website for 18 years, written on April 17, 2019, and accessed on June 15, 2024. The pistons move up and down because of the internal combustion process. And the pistons are connected to the crankshaft, which eventually will lead to wheels turning. In this four-stroke phrase, gasoline and oxygen are mixed up inside the pistons. This mixture is then heated and causes an explosion. The explosion moves the piston down, and while the piston is moving down, the burned gases resulting from the explosion leave the piston, known as exhaust. And then the piston comes back up, which then causes the process to repeat. In conclusion, today I've talked about what gasoline is made of, how it is created, and how it is used inside your car's engine. The next time you head to your gasoline station, you no longer need to wonder about what you're putting in your car, because today I've told you.